Okay, so we have the S55 air box here, and I removed these 4 T25 bolts on both sides here. Although the filters look clean, you can hear, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. These things are filthy. Completely makes sense now. Let's see this side. Wow. Makes sense why I find dirt all in the oil in the valve covers. That is really nutty. That's real bad. A lot of dirt, a lot of sand. Come on, Mercedes owners. These are things you should always be checking and taking care of. Very cheap too. These are like $14 a piece, these air filters. And very simple for you to remove. You could do it yourself. It's about a half-hour job.